Let's learn how to find the Monopoly Go user ID. If you want to know your Monopoly Go user ID but don't know how to find it, you don't need to worry anymore about this. Because after watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is check if your Monopoly Go is updated. If it is, we can start. First, you need to open Monopoly Go. After you open the game, you need to make sure you are logged into the correct account. When Monopoly Go is open, you will be on the game board screen. On this screen, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on these 3 lines, a page with several options will open. On this page, you need to click on the Settings option at the bottom of the page that opened. When you click on this option, a page with several options will appear. At the bottom of this page, you will see your user ID. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to find the user ID in Monopoly Go. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.